Good morning, YouTubers. It is Sunday, February 11th, 2018 in Greeley, Colorado. Coming up to the last week or two of me living in this house. I'm trying to enjoy all of the creature comforts that it has to offer before we're out on the road. I know that things will change, I know that life, and I don't want to say it's going to be more difficult, it'll be different. So, we'll have to adapt to a new lifestyle, but that's okay. We'll manage. We'll get it done. Got a confirmation from the estate broker last night, and they are going to be here tomorrow at 10 a.m. to start setting the house up. I'm not quite sure what that looks like. It sounds like stuff's going to be all over the house, kind of like the boutique thing that I've shared with you earlier. But I mean, is my bed going to be like covered with blankets and towels and clothes and I don't know, whatever else is going to be sold? And
I guess you poo.
So I don't know. Am I going to have to be out after tomorrow? So it presents some challenges about where to stay. Hey, Charlie man, where you going, buddy? My ex, I'm going to call her my ex because I don't know what else to call her, has offered to let us stay at her apartment. That's just not a comfortable option for me. I may have to do that, but I would prefer not to. That would just be really uncomfortable. If it was just me, I'd just go park somewhere and stay in the Hyundai and I'd be fine. I guess I could get a motel room, but then, whatever we make on the house, I'd end up spending on a motel, and I prefer not to do that. And I don't think we're going to get all that much anyway. I think, the house will probably bring in about $4,000, maybe. And I've asked the estate broker to sell the motorcycle. I told him I wanted, some cash out of it. And if that sells, then maybe there'll be some. But if it's just the household goods, I mean, I'm probably looking at maybe $1,000 in my hand by the time I pay all her fees and split it with the ex and all that good stuff. So just not enough resources to get the trailer and leap into the new lifestyle here in the next day or two. I've always been targeting the close of the house. As soon as we close the deal on the house, I'll have, a bunch of cash and enough to pay off my debt, enough left over to buy a trailer and build it out and accommodate, our food and insurance and gas requirements over the next 3 months. I mean, it'll go a long way to making all of that happen. So anyway, that's the update. I've done a little more work with the video editing software. I created a logo. I'm getting too fancy here, fancy pants. But anyway, so I've got a little opening intro thing for this video that I've been playing with my daughter. My youngest daughter said, "God, that's cheesy." She's probably right. I don't care. I'm having fun, and that's kind of why I'm doing it. So anyway, I'm looking forward to meeting some of you that I've been dialoguing with over, by Wells' website and over YouTube and all that. There hasn't been a lot of you. I think I've got maybe 15 subscribers. I think half of those are family, and I think there's a couple of them that are me using my other login to kind of see how it looks from the outside looking in and that kind of thing. So anyway, I'm looking forward to meeting a few of you out on the road and shaking hands with you and exchanging ideas and yeah, exciting times ahead. So stay tuned. Later.